All right, we back at it again with another day in the life as a master technician. As you can see, I'm back on the parasitic draw car. It did show 3 volts this morning, so bro, I'm definitely going to replace that battery. In my last video, I had showed you that I found a crack on the turbocharger causing an underboost condition. As you can see, I got the turbocharger out today. I mean, that was pretty simple. But unfortunately, I didn't get to finish it. Then we had to do a quick little rotating between, no problem. Bro, somebody could have warned me how hard it was to replace these headrests, like, for real. Had to do a quick little oil change, no problem at all. Got that customer in and out. Guys, we couldn't forget about the snack break. Got me a juice and some peanut. Was able to finish up this water pump on a Buick Encore. That was pretty simple. Got a vehicle with a customer says check engine lights on. Obviously had to diagnose that with my scan tool. So I hooked it up, found a P0128, baby. You know what that means. Gonna have to diagnose that hard problem. We ended up replacing the thermostat on that one to take care of that issue. The fans were no longer running high, so we took care of this. And to finish off the day, did a little engine filter. As you can see, that's the proper way to do it. But let me know what y'all think about today.